everyone! So welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, dapat unboxing to ng Apple MagSafe Battery or ng AirPods. However, ang shitty ng video ko. So I'm just gonna go ahead and record this again. So yeah, I think in this video, it will be a guide siguro for you to decide or maybe just a sign for you na bilhin na yung mga items na gusto nyong bilhin. So anyways, yeah. So having a Apple battery MagSafe pack or any battery na pwede nyong gamitin as an extra battery for your phone will actually help you a lot when traveling. So why do I say that? Because usually, di ba, pag nagta-travel tayo, ang bit-bit natin is our phone. So sometimes we record videos, we take photos, and most importantly, ginagamit din natin siya for navigation. So ang bilis maubos nung charge ng battery natin. So, nag-research ako before kung ano yung pinaka-okay na gamitin na battery pack. So, merong Anker, merong Xiaomi, meron na, what's the other brand? Romoss. And then, so, what happened is, since meron nga siya ng mga ganong klase ng battery pack, ang naisip ko na lang is bilhin na lang si Apple kasi yun yung pinaka-maliit na battery pack na meron ako. So, yun, parang feeling ko mas convenient siya dalhin in some cases. So, I'll just pop up yung unboxing ng battery pack dito sa video na to. And then, the next thing that I bought is yung AirPods. Again, any earpiece pwede nyong gamitin for when you're traveling. Lahat pwede nyong, any brand, Samsung, Xiaomi, Beats, anything that could help you na to have your own focus. Pwede mo siyang gamitin kapag nag-exercise, kapag nasa plane, kapag ayaw nyo nang may kausap. So, yan, pwede nyong gamitin yung mga ganong klase ng earpiece to help you with that. And then, so, yeah, mabibili mo naman yun sa Power Max, sa Beyond the Box, any actual store, makakabili kayo ng mga earpiece to help you para doon sa focusing nyo, di ba? So, needless to say, yun na yun. And yeah, I guess I'll end this video, this very, very short video on unboxing, or hindi nga siya unboxing, or on this topic on having your own extra battery when traveling, having your own AirPods or earpiece. And of course, kung tulad din kayo nung iba na tig to 20,000 milliamp, tama ba yung battery? Na ganun yung bit-bit nyo, mas okay kasi yung Apple MagSafe battery pala, if I remember correctly, hindi niya kayang i-fully charge yung iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, I think yung may mga higher na battery sa cellphone nyo, hindi kayang i-fully charge ni Apple MagSafe battery pack. So, I think Anker, Romoss is offering a higher milliamp para sa mga MagSafe battery pack nila, which is, it's actually a good choice compared sa Apple kasi mas mura din yun, ano. So yeah, I think yun yung isa sa mga dapat nyong i-consider when buying it, kasi nung binili ko yung sa akin, all I wanted to do was to just extend yung battery life, not to fully charge my phone. So okay na ako na kunyari medyo nauubos na yung battery ko, 30%. I'll just snap the battery pack and then we're okay, good na tayo doon. So yeah, alright, so I think that's it. I'll just end this video with that. So if you like this kind of content, just leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe, cause why not, right? Alright guys, bye everyone!